So today we are going to do some cool Nerf guns. Let's see how they look first. So this is the Raven, and I just found this parts. I just was searching for random parts, and this has a light. That's the switch to turn on the light in there. It's kind of hard to see, and we'll test fire them probably after. And you guys, at the end, you can subscribe to our channel. And then we have a barrel that can attach to this gun. And this magazine, you can put it on this gun, but this gun doesn't work. And you can put the barrel on. I got some more cool guns. And we got Nerf Wars on our channel. The Nerf Wars are me and my brother. And if you guys haven't saw those yet, please share and like them, please. And then we have the Mega Big Shot, small. And it takes big darts. It shoots really powerful. It's loud too without the bullet. And then we got a vest. So when you're going around Nerf Wars, you can carry bullets, and it's awesome. You guys should check our Nerf Wars out. We haven't made a video with these yet, but we will. It's coming out. Thank you. Please share and subscribe.